Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have my Ipsy Extra for August, and smudge is very lovey-dovey. Y'all, Ipsy has the original bag, the Ipsy Extra, and the Ultimate. The Ultimate is quarterly, and that's going on now in August. I stick with the Extra. That's my favorite, so that's what I get. I'm going to tell you real quick what I'm wearing if I can get to it. Because he's laying on everything. Be careful, I've got scissors right there. Y'all, I'm wearing the Dibs, this lippy. We got this not too long ago, and I think we got this in Allure. This is in the color Mims, and it is, Dibs means Desert Island Beauty Status, and it's a beautiful gloss. But I noticed that it is, I don't know, it's separating a little bit. So I tried shaking it, it doesn't shake. So I just took this and sort of just tried to swirl around the doe foot, and that did help some. So, but I don't know how long of a life it has. But anyway, that's what I have on. And on my eyes, all right, Smudge, be careful. I have this beautiful palette. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's called Embers, and it is Smudge. All right, I'm gonna have to get him down probably. These are the colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful neutrals with a little bit of green going on there. All right, let's see what I got. Extra is $31.99 a month, and then at $1.99 for the handling. And you get 5 full-size products, and they choose 2 for you, and then you choose 3. So let's see what we got. When this sometimes you get a bag. Here lately, they started doing bags, but this month I got a bag last month. This month I got a box, but they have started bringing back the bag on the inside. I mean the what am I trying to say? The bag. His tail is swishing all over the place. So it says, beauty is more fun here, Ipsy. Okay. And it has a little bit of padding. And that isn't always the case. So this is the bag. And it's a bandana. It's very, very summery to me. It does say Ipsy right here on the bag. And it does say Ipsy on the bandana also. Ipsy there. So very summery. A bandana to me is just very summery. And then see, it's a little drawstring bag. So nothing's inside. Sometimes they put stuff inside, but they didn't this time. It's a nice bag. It's silky. It feels good. It's pretty. I like that it says Ipsy in several different places in the pattern of the bandana prints. All right, let's see. Oh, there is a brochure, and here it is for August, and it says the soft reset. And in this brochure isn't going to be what we get because there's a lot of choices. So it's just basically what's happening, around the month and stuff like that. They've got easy hair wins, especially in summer. It's hard to keep your hair. If you got long hair especially, it's so hot out. You can scan. They always give you a thing to scan so you can check out your products. But I look online and it tells me what I've gotten. And then here's some things about moisturizers. There's just some information in here. And then they also have an edit bag every single month. And this month's edit bag is the brand Origins. And Origins has such a fabulous reputation, y'all, but it's not my favorite thing. I haven't had a lot of it, but what I've had, I'm not crazy about. So let me know what you think about Origins. And then it has a sneak peek of what's coming up for next month. They're showing a bag, and then they're showing some things that are coming up for next month. So, and there's the Origins bag. This is $59.99. So let's see what I got. I wish you'd stop moving your tail, Smudge. All right, to start off, I have this Dr. Brandt skincare. It says Dr. B Lab, and this is the Glassaholic Face Serum Peel. So this is the box. This is $72 value. Y'all, this box, like I said, is $31.99. My box value is $232. So this is really beautiful. It's a dropper bottle. It's frosted glass. And this says, it's interesting stuff. Let's see. It says, transform your complexion in just minutes with our acid serum peel. Powered by a balanced blend of natural AHAs and BHAs, it gently resurfaces to reveal radiant, even-toned, revitalized skin. In just 8 minutes, say hello to picture-perfect glass-like glow. And you're gonna apply it to the skin, to clean, dry skin, leave it on for 8 minutes, and then thoroughly rinse it with lukewarm water and follow with a moisturizer. So I am not so sure about that, because some things that are strong like that, being a peel and all, it might not work well with my sensitive skin, so I may not use it. We'll see. But great product, $72 product. I'm happy about that. He's still right here swishing his tail. Next we have from Half Caked. This is Lip Haze Blurring Lip Liner Duo. Lip Haze, yeah, let's see. It is in Pink Haze is the color. And this is an $18 value. And this is what it looks like. It's double-ended. It'll be a lip liner. This is gonna be, all right, here's the lip liner. It's in there. You'll have to twist it to turn it up. And this side is, well, it says Blurring Lip Liner Duo. Y'all, I'm not gonna use this because I have 1 million lippies and liners. So, and this will probably go in a future giveaway. So it's very pretty. The color is very beautiful. If you can see, I don't want to, let's see, let me show you this, if you can see that color. It's light. It's nice for summer, real pretty. I just have so many things going. I don't want to start something else for right now anyway. Then we had our first choice, y'all. And I did talk with a couple other people. There were not a lot of choices. We used to, in each category, we got 6 items to pick from. And then it went down to a couple categories with 6, and then a category with 5. And then it went down to a couple categories with 5 and 4, 5 or 4. And I had 3, each category I had to choose from 3. Well, all right, I had a 3, choice of 3, choice of 4, choice of 3. That's really skimpy, really skimpy. So first example, okay? My first choice, I could choose from Dae Hair, D-A-E, Hair, a hair and body mist. It's called the Dream Veil Hair and Body Mist, okay? I did not pick that. I could choose Olaplex Leave-In Moisturizing Conditioner for your hair. So that's 2 hair products. Well, one is one is a spray, a spritz, you know, a perfumey kind of thing. And then what I chose, Glow Recipe. This is a $36 value. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops in Rosy Glow. Y'all, I don't care for this product. I know y'all love it. It smells great. It does smell like watermelon. It's the consistency is not right for me. It's more of like a gel sort of a thing, so it isn't for me. This is a pump, so you can see it. Very beautiful packaging, of course. Their stuff is beautiful, and everybody really likes it. But for me, it's not really for me. But out of my choices, this was the best choice, in my opinion. Well, the Olaplex would have been nice too. But see, that's, you know, they've got good products. But nothing in this category was geared toward me. Look how pretty their box is. So this will be going in a future giveaway, most likely. And then category 2, they had from Ole Henriksen, a lip treatment. And then Laura Mercier, the waterproof foundation, and Polite Society, a blurring bronzer. I don't ever use a bronzer. And see, we tell them that well, not quite. It's, I'm sorry, my camera's a mess. Hang on. My camera is, my stand is falling apart, I think. They're supposed, we fill out an extensive survey where they ask, do you like this? Do you like that? I can't remember how it is, but I do every now and again go back in and do it again. And they've told me years ago that they don't even look at that. I don't know, but it's disappointing when your choices are like the last category 1. There was nothing in there that I would care to use. So, but I have a channel, so I give away things. So it works out okay for me. But what about for you at home? It's a little disappointing. So the Ole Henriksen lip treatment. Laura Mercier is a waterproof foundation, and Polite Society, a blurring bronzer. So I like also that there's makeup in there, because I do like makeup. And in this box, I like to choose makeup, but I don't use foundation. I don't use bronzer. And I have a million lip treatments. So I got this, which I'm really excited about this, so don't get me wrong. But I do like, in Ipsy, I like to get makeup. But they've also introduced me to a lot of skincare. And this is Goldfaden MD, which is one of my very favorite skincare lines, because it doesn't cause me, I never have an allergic reaction to it ever. This is a Radical Difference Advanced Antioxidant Serum. It says it's for damaged skin. So I really don't have a lot of damaged skin, but this is an $80 value, and it is Goldfaden MD. So let me get it open and I'll show you what she looks like. I don't know. I don't think I've had this particular thing before, but I will use it because I love their products. So it has I like this kind of pump. Usually what I do is I put a little bit on the back of my hand and then I put it on my face. So it says, let's see. He finally got down. It says Dr. Goldfaden's concentrated rehydrated silk serum works to improve the appearance of skin imperfections, illuminate dull skin, and reduce the look of unwanted red areas to leave skin looking glowing and vibrant. I don't have red areas, and right now I have a Goldfaden moisturizer that I'm using. So most likely I will use this, but I just like having that one in my arsenal in case I need it. Their packaging is gorgeous as well. And the inside, they've recently changed their packaging. A lot of their packaging looks like this, but they've added this green. It's not bougie packaging, but this inside is pretty with there's flowers in there. Thought that was pretty. Anyway, so I'm very happy with that. Very happy with that. I'm just disappointed that I didn't have many choices. So in category 3, there was a choice of 3 items. So the brand Ciele, C-I-E-L-E, in SPF, it was prime and protect. So a primer, SPF primer is what it was. I don't use primers. And then Olivia Uma, a cleanser. That looked really nice. But I have a bunch of cleanser. I have a bunch of everything. So, but this I got because this is Laura Geller. This is the On and On Lashes Lengthening Mascara in black. So this is a $26 value. And I have had Laura Geller mascaras before. I don't think I've had this one. They usually different brands have different, different mascaras. Yeah, I haven't had this one before. Oh, look how pretty that is. It's a gold container. Very pretty. So I'm not going to use it right now because I have so many opened. Way too many opened. So we'll see after a while. I'll probably try it out. So that's what I got. I just put that back in the box. I still love Ipsy, and I signed up for a year, so I get it. I get it, but it can be a little disappointing when there aren't many choices. So I have the mascara, makeup item, really like that. I have the double-ended lip liner, which I like this too. I just have so many right now. But it looked like one end is for a liner and one is more for, filling in the lips. We have the Goldfaden, which I'm super excited about. the Gold Fadden. And we have the Gorgeous Glow Recipe, which you guys really like and are excited about. And we have the Dr. Brandt Lab, the Glassaholic. This is really interesting, something new and interesting. So I like trying new things too. So my box is valued at $232, I think it is. So that is, you know, for paying $31.99 plus that $2, so $34. I pay less than that because I buy it by the year. So when you buy it by the year, you get, it's like you paid for 11 boxes and got one for free. So that's why I do that, because it saves me a little money. So let me know what you think about this box. I do, like I said, I do still love Ipsy. I love it. It's, you know, I love it. There's others that I love as well. The boxes that I like the boxes that I get. So, but let me know what you think. Let me know what you got. Let me know what your choices were. Let me know if you only had 3 choices in 2 categories and 4, a choice of 4 in the 3rd category. That's not, you know, I need more. I like more to choose from. But y'all take care and count your blessings. Sorry about the wonky camera. I've been working on it, but I got to get that fixed. Take care, y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.